inspired. I'm inspired.
Hey there guys, how's it going? My name is Sumit Chatterjee from the Flow Zone Academy, and I'm a flow state coach, which means that I help you feel better and perform better. Today I want to talk about different ways to release tension. These might be very strange ways, however I've noticed they're very powerful and they work very efficiently for anybody, okay? So let's get started. The first one that I would say is laughing really weird, okay? The weirder the laugh, the better. So let's say you're very stressed out, you feel frustrated, you feel a lot of tension in your body. Weirder the laugh, the better. Someone offends you, the weirder the laugh, the better, okay? Now you don't have to do it right after they do something and ha 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 ha. You don't have to start doing that. However, you want to understand that this is for your own well-being and it's going to make you laugh. The weirder the laugh, it's going to make you laugh. And laughter is contagious as well. So you're actually recreating a good vibe from within, okay, as you do this. So, right? Any kind of weird laugh, right, that you have, think cartoonish, okay? Think ridiculous, think goofy, think out of character. Think completely out of your character, because what that will do is it will create a moment of ego death for you, right? You'll be like, whoa, that wasn't me. What did I tap into? That's what I'm telling you to go for with this laugh. Make it very uncommon to your natural voice. So I'm talking high-pitched or low-pitched, okay? Next thing that we're talking about is a weird singing, okay, off-key singing. Okay, singing really off-key on purpose to make yourself laugh. This is so good, guys. If you want a reference point, okay, of somebody who can do this really well, think JJ Icefish. Okay, have you ever heard of JJ Icefish? Have you seen that video? If you haven't, highly recommend it. Go check that out. Go check out JJ Icefish, okay? There's something about you, girl, and it made my head wanna turn. Right? Like, that by itself makes me feel like, what even am I doing? But it just makes me laugh every time, because it's just so goofy, It doesn't sound like natural singing. It sounds like off-key singing. And when you go off-key, you're expecting a certain response from yourself. You're expecting a certain way that your body's going to react to a situation. But if you start singing really weird, it's going to change the vibe up. I'm telling you, it's going to change the vibe up. But if you do tap into this, something about you, girl, right, it's just going to make you just snap out of that, like really quickly, right? Because humor is an incredible release. Laughter is an incredible release, okay? The third one we have is beatboxing. Okay, these are all sounds. Okay, these are all sounds. So, beatboxing. My roommate, college Matt Kirby, he used to say, how do you beatbox? You just say boots and cats over and over again, right? Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Try to beatbox, don't just say boots and cats. I would just say, like, I'm not a great beatboxer, but it would be something like, hey. Add little ad-libs, okay? Add little ad-libs as you're beatboxing as well, okay? This is what rappers do to up the vibe, up the ante, like make the song more interesting. Add little, whoa, hey, yeah, huh, skirt, brr, yeah. Add them into your beatboxing. So it'll be like, whoa, yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Like, try and tap into that energy, because that is a powerful energy that can actually transform. Your heart of hearts, you know that the situation will handle itself. But right now, you need to raise your vibes, you need to get rid of tension, you need to make yourself laugh, you need to make yourself feel lighter, okay? The next one is when you feel a lot of pent-up energy or anger or stress building up in the body, okay? Now when this happens, I've noticed this really softens the body. It lets go of tension and just releases any of that trapped or stored pent-up energy. And again, these are all mouth sounds, okay? This one is just simply a sigh out, like a okay, okay. That mouth sound of just letting go, letting go, letting go. Inhale, exhale with a sound and the ha. Okay, the ha is like the process of you just, I've opened the valve of the throat, right? Just like and it's like a flood from a dam that's broken. You know, a flood of water, just like that's the imagery that I get, at least when I'm like like, it's gonna sound awkward at first. If you do this in front of other people, you might have the fear of being embarrassed or humiliated, but I mean, that's even better, right? I feel like if you can do it around other people, that means you're just cracking your ego down even more, and it's just a powerful process to be able to, you know, do it around others. However, of course, be respectful of others and their space and their noise and your level of noise that you're having in the environment, obviously. But, you know, lock yourself in your room, start doing these practices, you know. Do these for a minute, switch them up, go in, like, start beatboxing, then start laughing, then, you know, start weird singing, then go into the right? There's no rules here. You can add and adapt all of these, right, to be able to work for your benefit. The fifth one is touch, okay? Touch releases oxytocin, the love and trust hormone, okay? Now, don't get any ideas, obviously, but I mean very soft touch, okay? Very, very soft touch. The softer, the better, okay? The more soothing and softer, the better. Just feel your little hairs on your body, right? Just feel your skin very softly. Has a very soothing and relaxing effect. You can do it in your own hair, okay? Our mothers used to do this, actually, when we were younger. Love this feeling, absolutely. If you're my future girlfriend, by the way, I require this. Just like, you know, rubbing my scalp and my hair. If you have a partner, though, you can also get them to rub your belly. Like, not rub it. You can also get them to stroke your belly very gently, okay? Belly is where it stores a lot of tension. And your heart as well. Belly to your chest. Very softly. Very, very slow. Very, very soft and refined, okay? Burp. Okay? Now, I know that's gross to some people, but look, it is a way to release, okay? It is a way to release. If you can make yourself burp, by all means, go for it. Obviously, don't be disgusting. Don't do it in front of other people, right? However, you just want to, basically, you want to let go and also stack your yawns. I got this from VK as well, from when I was in the EC21 event. Stack your yawns, okay? Like force yourself to yawn and then stack another yawn on top of that yawn, okay? So I'm going to try to do that. Let me see. So there's a reason why these are weird. It's because you're breaking the patterns, okay? Once you create a new pattern, you can then tap into the power, which is your own body, which is your own mind, which is your own skill set to tap into these different tools and the different ways you use your mouth. And of course we have touch as well. But again, I would say that with the touch you can also use your mouth as well, because that's activating the little hairs on your body too. Okay. So I hope this helped you out. I know it was a very strange video today, but I hope you got some value from it and I hope you apply it right away, and you'll notice your energy shifting as you try doing all of these, okay? Have an amazing day. May the flow be with you and stay legendary.